Conditionals quiz. Third. Do you know how to use third conditionals? We use the third conditional to talk about hypothetical past situations or to imagine a different past and its result. Let's get started. If you had trained more, you wouldn't have lost so easily. We wouldn't have spent all the money if you hadn't insisted on going to that boutique. If you had told me that you were having problems, I could have helped you. If I had known that she was in town, I would have invited her to dinner. If he had offered a better price for the car, I might have bought it. There wouldn't have been so many problems if they had organized the race a bit better. We wouldn't have gotten lost if you had asked for directions. We would never have met if you hadn't introduced us to each other at that party. If she had embarrassed me in front of all my friends, I would have hated her forever. I could have saved her life if I had paid more attention. What would you have done if I hadn't come? If I had stayed in university, I could have gotten much better jobs. If I hadn't worked so hard all my life, I might have spent more time with my kids. If I'd known you were going, I would have come with you. I wouldn't have passed the exam even if I had studied harder. If I had told you the truth, you wouldn't have believed me. He wouldn't have had the accident if he hadn't drunk. If the company had analyzed the risks more carefully, the project wouldn't have failed. Had she known about the delay, she would have adjusted her schedule. If they hadn't underestimated the problem, they wouldn't have faced such serious consequences. If I had taken your advice, I might have avoided the mistake. Had the team been better prepared, the outcome could have been different. If more attention had been paid to detail, the error might have been detected earlier. If she had missed the opportunity, she would have regretted it later. Had they not intervened in time, the situation would have become worse. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more valuable content like this. See you in our upcoming videos.